How's everybody doing today? So today we're working in North Jersey, a quarantined area. It's a little scary coming in. There was absolutely no traffic. Not a lot of people on the roads, everything shut down. But besides that, life seems pretty normal up here. But the area we are working in is one of the worst places affected by this virus in the country. So we're here to do a little upgrade for the cell tower here at this township building. So guys ahead of us came out yesterday and saw cut the blacktop, and they also did some hand digging right there. That's where these 2 4-inch pipes are going to come up, and that is what we're going to be installing. 2 4-inch conduits to the pole. So while I was cutting, Ed was able to get this stuff out. The other stuff just wasn't cut deep enough. Plus this stuff here is definitely thinner blacktop. So we got all that ripped out. Hopefully this stuff here comes out a little better now. You guys helping us today? What are you guys doing?
Yeah. Help you guys get done when you need to get done, and then you guys are going to
So guys, we got a bunch of pipes to go around. There's 2 there. And there's another one here. It's gonna cover in a second. We're gonna have to tunnel under this one right there. Then we're gonna go to the top of those 2 there. couldn't get our depth on that side just because of all those pipes we came into. So the plans are calling for 36 inches of cover. So we're trying to get 40 inches now. What we did is we just kind of ramped in our trench. That way we can get back down to 40 inches. And pipe will just kind of lay on its own. We'll kind of step it in as long as we go nice and easy. You're good. Yep. Perfect. Yep. We got all of our pipe in. Just got to backfill it yet. We use standoffs on the pole as well as schedule 80 pipe in case it gets hit by a car. Every township's a little different. We still don't know what that is. I think it's just a piece of trash. There's no water coming out of it. It does look like an old water line. And we tunneled under there. All those little 2 inches. Tunneled under them. And came up. The 2.4 is just regular pipe, not schedule 80. It actually is schedule 40. So we got everything tidied up on the site. Still have another load of blacktop to haul out. Another crew from the company we're working for will come out and take care of that for us. We got our fence put back up. I already locked the compound, so I'm not gonna go back in. We got topsoil graded out and a little berm here that was here before. In case anybody's wondering, the reason we have these sticking up is the inspector couldn't make it out, so he told us to just put some potholes in so we can pop the caps and come out and measure. We know we got our depth, so not too concerned whether we'll pass or fail. Got lots of pictures like always. Got cones set up just in case. Got our guardrail temporarily put back. And there's supposed to be ballards going in around this eventually. Waiting on deliveries. With all this virus stuff, it's been hard to get materials. Well, guys.